Hi, my name is Elisa Ruano Velasquez. I'm a third-year full-day student here at UDC. This semester I was in the Immigration and Human Rights Clinic. One of my experiences or cases in the Immigration Clinic that I had this past semester, it was working with a family of 6 from El Salvador. The baby was a United States citizen, but the rest of the family was applying for asylum. You know, we really had to work really diligently to work on their asylum case. And asylum law is one of the most complex types of law in immigration, in the immigration field. So it was a lot of work, starting from start to finish. We started with meeting with the clients to draft their declarations. So we met with them probably over 20 times each, my partner and I, to draft those robust declarations. We also had to compile and annotate a table of contents, which took weeks. And in the end, we also had to write a 25-page brief containing all of our legal arguments. So, and we actually were able to win the case. That was the most gratifying moment, was going to court and winning, getting them all asylum granted. And the day before going to court, the government attorney emailed our professor, Lindsay Harris, telling her that pretty much she would not be opposing our relief asylum. She would not be opposing asylum because we had left, and I quote, legally and factually no stone unturned in the arguments contained in our brief. So it was just an amazing moment that because we had worked so hard the whole semester to make sure we had such a strong record that we actually wouldn't have to go and put on a full trial. The UDC Law Clinic program uniquely prepares students to be successful in the legal field by the type of hands-on experience you get while in a clinic. As I mentioned, we were able to work on this asylum case from start to finish, from the fact investigation and gathering, which consisted of multiple meetings with the clients and pretty much getting all the facts and writing these robust declarations, to the research skills and being able to find these country conditions reports, being able to find the applicable case law, being able to find witness declarations on our arguments and on our topics, to then the legal writing skills. We even got the oral advocacy skills. We had a full moot where we practiced direct exams, which we drafted those questions. We practiced cross exams. We practiced even doing directs for our witnesses. We practiced our oral arguments, our opening statements, closing statements, and even a rebuttal. So it really was full preparation from start to finish of what a typical attorney would have to do in an asylum case. I've always wanted to be an immigration attorney, and I'm so grateful to have had such great mentors, especially in the clinical law program, such as Dean Harris. She is a phenomenal supervisor, a phenomenal attorney, a phenomenal mentor. She really takes the time to read every single detail of our writing. She takes the time to listen to us. She takes the time to meet with us every week to tell us what we can improve on. And I think that that's also another reason why the UDC Law Clinic program is so successful, because of the type of mentors that they give you access to and the one-on-one attention you get from these mentors and these practicing attorneys. That really is what I think has been fundamental in my professional and personal growth, and I'm so grateful for it. And I don't think I would have been able to get that type of experience anywhere else.